All right, guys, how you doing? So again, coming to you from Slagna, Sweden, March 4th. I'm not sure what time it is. It's probably 2 or 3 in the afternoon at least. Got some sunlight outside. It's kind of hard to tell. It's all blown out. Anyways, so little update. Got our another RX 6600 in. This one's the ASUS dual, whatever that means. I guess it's just two fans. But yeah, so this will be our third GPU, our third RX 6600. And so I've got two running right now, hopefully at like 28 mega hash, mining Ethereum. And so this will be the third. And so let's crack this sucker open if I can. Oh, okay. Let's give this a shot. One hand with the camera, one hand with the box. Alright. Let's get another light going on here. Open this up. So ASUS is a Taiwanese company, but I looked at the label and this is made in China, so I guess even Taiwan is using, I don't even know if I can do this with one hand. Yep. Let's see. Oh, one-handed box opening. There we go. And we got our little plastic cover here. I'll do that when I have two hands. But anyways, got this. We ordered it from Web Holland again. Like our last one, we ordered from Web Holland, but they sent it to the wrong address. And so we literally spent like, I don't know how much, $100 or $200 in gas and whatnot to drive to the coast to pick it up. And but this one we gave them less opportunities to screw up by giving all the addresses that we gave them were in this town. So, and they still didn't send it to the right spot, but at least the spot they did send it to was still in this town. So, which we thought was hilarious. But I'm just playing with the fans here. And initial impressions, I'm glad we have it. I don't really care about looks or design very much. Mostly what I care about is that it works. And so I guess I'll just plug it in and get it working, and then come back to you guys with our total hash rate. We should be getting up towards almost like in the mid 80s, at least, maybe high 90s, or high 80s. So that'll be nice. So I think that would be the equivalent of maybe an NVIDIA 3080, maybe, or a 3090. I'm not sure. But yeah, so it'd be nice to get up closer to 100 mega hash and start pumping out something like over $3 a day, but at much lower power consumption, because like with these we'll be consuming maybe 180 something, 200 watts altogether instead of 300, and that'll make a big difference. So anyways, little unboxing there for you, even though I probably did a crappy job with the camera work, and I'll come to you when I have this thing up and going in the rig.